Hello everyone. Consider this. You're at the finish line of a marathon, ready to cross triumphantly. But instead, you trip and stumble. We want to avoid that scenario with your manuscript. Polishing your final draft ensures a smooth and successful finish. Understand the key steps in finalizing a manuscript. Learn the importance of formatting for submission. Discover effective proofreading tips. Finalizing your draft. Preparing your final manuscript involves several steps to ensure it is polished and ready for submission or publication. Thorough revision. Revise for clarity and coherence. Make sure your narrative flows logically and your ideas are clearly presented. Focus on pacing. Ensure that the pacing keeps readers engaged throughout the story. Check for consistency. Ensure characters' actions and details remain consistent throughout the manuscript. Example: William Shakespeare, renowned for his masterful plays, was also a dedicated reviser. He continuously refined his works, including classics like Hamlet and Romeo and Juliet, often crafting multiple versions with significant changes to characters, dialogue, and even plot elements. This attention to detail contributed to the timeless appeal of his works. Detailed editing. Line editing. Focus on sentence structure, word choice, and style. Copy editing. Correct grammatical, punctuation, and spelling errors. Proofreading. Catch any remaining typos or minor errors. Example: Toni Morrison, a Nobel Prize-winning novelist, was also a devoted reviser. She carefully crafted each sentence and paragraph, often spending years refining her manuscripts until she felt they perfectly expressed her vision. Formatting for submission. Proper formatting and presentation are important for making a professional impression on publishers and readers. Standard manuscript format. Font and size. Use a standard font like Times New Roman or Arial 12-point size. Spacing. Double space your text. Margins. Use 1-inch margins on all sides. Header. Include your last name, the title, or a keyword, and page number in the header. Example: Following standard manuscript format shows professionalism and makes it easier for agents and publishers to read and evaluate your work. Title page. Include the title of your manuscript, your name, contact information, and word count. Positioning. Center the title and your name on the page, and place your contact information in the upper left or right corner. Chapter headings and scene breaks. Consistency. Ensure that chapter headings and scene breaks are consistently formatted. Clarity. Use clear and distinct markers for scene breaks, 3 asterisks centered on a line. Proofreading tips. Proofreading is the final step to ensure your manuscript is free from errors and ready for submission. Take a break. Fresh eyes. Take a break after your final edit before starting the proofreading process. This helps you spot errors you might have missed earlier. Read aloud. Technique. Reading your manuscript aloud can help you catch awkward phrasing and ensure the dialogue sounds natural. Benefit. Helps you identify issues that may not be evident when reading silently. Use technology wisely. Editing software. Tools like Grammarly and ProWritingAid can help catch errors and improve style, but they shouldn't replace manual proofreading. Final check. Always perform a final manual check, even if you've used software. Focus on one issue at a time. Method. Proofread for different issues separately. For example, do one pass for grammar, another for punctuation, and another for formatting. Example: Haruki Murakami ensures the accuracy and beauty of his translated works through extensive proofreading, highlighting the importance of a polished final product, even across language barriers. Assignment. Prepare the first 3 chapters of your manuscript, formatted according to standard submission guidelines. Create a checklist infographic of the steps you took to finalize the manuscript and share it with your peers. Closing thought. Preparing your final manuscript is an important step in your publishing journey. It's about presenting your work in the best possible way, showing professionalism and commitment to quality. Careful revision, formatting, and proofreading will ensure your story is ready to connect with readers and make an impression. Let your polished manuscript shine. Wishing you all the best in your writing endeavors.